Let me see your face. Wonder if I'm too close. There we are. Valerie's that voice at Disneyland that you hear. Oh, hello. Let me see you. You're so cute, too. Come here, little guy. Come here, little cream boy.
Right into the camera.
That little woof. I wonder what this is going to look like. I didn't know this would record for this long.
That's pretty good. I didn't think
Mark,
that...
it's up to 1 minute and 13 seconds.
Wow.
1:15.
Hey. She's a bruiser. She's a bruiser.
You tough girl.
Look at that. She's twice the size of her sister. She is.
Gosh, I love video.
Sister's pulling her along in this chair.
You taking her for a ride?
Look at her.
What is going on? I wonder if I go over there if I can get her face. Oh, yeah, right. Turn around just as I'm walking the other way. Yeah, let me get that beautiful face. Let me get that beautiful face. Okay, I'll stop. That's 3 minutes.